Today in this video, we will talk about how to cancel better gym membership plan. So all official methods and information you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Method 1. Cancel via desktop. Log into the Better Customer portal here. Select My Account. Click Memberships from the options on the gray navigation bar. Scroll down the page and select the Manage Membership button. Select Cancel Membership and follow the instructions on the screen. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel Better Gym Membership via mobile or the Better UK app. Log into the Better Customer portal here if on mobile, or tap the Buy and Manage Membership button if on the Better UK app. Ensure you are logged in and select Account. Select Memberships from the drop-down options. Scroll down the page and select the Manage Membership button. Select Cancel Membership and follow the instructions on the screen. And you are done. Method 3. You can also cancel by emailing customer services at gll.org or sending a letter to the registered address. A minimum of 1 calendar month's notice is required before your next direct debit date. Letter or email example you can see up on your screen. So by using this method, you can easily cancel Better Gym Membership Plan. Hopefully this video will be helpful. If you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply you soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.